So I finally figured out how to test out the wing drone delivery. First, I researched what the service areas actually are, but then I didn't know any of the addresses. So I hopped over to Google Maps and threw it down into Street View to find one of the addresses in the residential area. And once I was in the Wing app, I was thwarted once again because there were strong winds that day, making it a day where deliveries just weren't realistic. We dealt with actually quite a bit of a few days that of really pretty gross and rainy weather here in the DFW area over the last few weeks. But finally, the day came where we were set to fly. The app made it really easy. Once the address was verified, I took off into the area and ordered when I got there. And delivery time was only about 10 minutes. And the order was placed, it was packed, and it was verified. And it was at the location really quickly. I mentioned in the previous episode that noise pollution could be problematic long term, and I got an idea of how loud the drones were once it lowered down. And I wouldn't say it was crazy loud, but it was noticeable for sure. I could see how thousands of these things could be annoying, but for now, it's really no different than a neighbor using a weed whacker. I think more than anything, I was really impressed with the accuracy of the delivery. When placing the order on the app, it clarifies with the end user to make sure to clear the delivery space, and it actually gives a couple of options of where the drop could be made.
I hope these good people don't mind me using their driveway, but how cool was that, right? Here it is from Walmart. There's our delivery. Super cool. Okay, well, I have to absolutely consider that to be a success. We have our cookies that came straight from Walmart. How cool is that? Got to see the drone completely drop them off, lower it down, and then it takes off towards its next destination. So I've got about a 40-minute drive back to the house, and then we'll open this thing back up whenever we get there. Okay, I made it back. I've got our package directly from Wing themselves. I haven't even opened it yet. It's actually kind of a cool little box, but yeah, drone delivery by Wing. Pretty neat. Whatever number, this is number 481. This actually didn't cost me anything. They had an opportunity where you could get a free box of cookies when you ordered. And oh, look at that. So it came with some Chips Ahoy cookies, and it even came with a free little bottle of water. How fun is that? I was really impressed by the delivery itself. It's nice to have some free cookies as well. The delivery was super quick. It took about 10 minutes, maybe at the most, for it to get there on time. It took me 40 minutes to get over to the area, but delivery only took 10 minutes. They clarified the order. They made sure that everything was right. Somebody obviously packed it up, and then it showed up, dropped right down, and it was gone in probably less than a minute. It's pretty sweet. I'd highly recommend it. Good job, drone, or good job, Wing. So that's going to do it for today. But before we go, I do want to thank our sponsors, Kincannon Business Consulting. Kincannon brings technologies, systems, and expertise to your business to shorten the timeline of execution towards a profitable future roadmap. Other consultancies bring in a costly army. Kincannon brings an efficient SWAT team. So if you're looking for a consultancy with a track record of success across many industries, reach out to Kincannon Business Consulting to set up a discussion. You can reach out to them by email at inquire@kincannonbc.com. That's going to do it for today. We're going to talk some more emerging tech next time. Bye, everybody.